Well, the time has come. I have decided to start modifying my Firebird that I LS swapped back in 2012. I've got it up in the air on jack stands. Tomorrow morning I'm going to be pulling the trans and putting in this Yank 3600 Super Street stall. Excited for that, never done one. Got a trans cooler from Hawks Motorsports the other day. I'm going to put that in as well. Got some LS7 lifters in preparation for the Torquer V2 cam from Texas Speed. Timing chain. Got an LS6 intake off of eBay. Also doing the PRC ASCAS 225cc heads. I haven't got the injectors yet. I'm assuming I'm going to be needing some 36 pounders. I still got to order those. I'm definitely hoping for probably about 430 rear wheel horsepower. But that's where I'm at right now. I'm just waiting on Texas Speed to send the other stuff. Thank you. Bye.